Guys, why does it feel different tonight? Relax, bro. Maybe you expired. No, something's off. Oh my God! Where is Chocolate? He was right here. This is not normal. Did you hear that? Yeah, okay, that's NOT funny anymore. Stay behind me! Hungry! Ah! What is that? Bro, I take back my jokes. Run! Ah! I can't run, I'm a slice! Think! It eats expired food, so? We use that against it. If this fails, I'm done. Shh, it's coming. There's more of them? We're not surviving this! Wait, human! Save us! No! Freeze! N-O-Ow! Some nights don't end.